Hola amigos, sorry about the freaking hair. I just woke up from a nap, so it looks a little funky. But this goes out to Big Ward, the genius. He wants to know why he has no interest in being with women anymore on an intimate level. He wants to know why he's lost complete interest, and he doesn't understand because the box was everything to him, apparently. Well, that's why, Big Ward, because you took advantage of the box over and over and over again. A woman's energy will stay in your body up to 7 years. So I don't know how many women you've slept with, but if you have a fucking number, like a roster, all of their energy stays in your body. Of course you're going to be exhausted. Of course you're going to come to the point to where you just want peace, because all you've been doing is sleeping around with women with no actual concern of the heart, mind, the whole spiritual connection, because it's only been about the box, Big Ward. No man is going to tell you that because they aren't smart enough to fucking know. They don't even know why they're fucked up and why they need their peace.